Hi everyone, welcome back again to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So guys, today I'm going to talk about my own experience after using HBQ Q32 tws headphone. So let's start.
Spotlight, moonlight, why you worship and get your mood right? Shorty look good in the moonlight, so why you so bad, my spotlight, moonlight, why you worship and
So
get your
guys,
mood right?
in my previous video I was show the buying way and unboxing of this product HBQ tws. So today I'm going to talk about my own experience after using this headphone 3 days. So this is a really nice stylish headphone. So first I like to talk about the size. The headphone size is really small, and this is really nice. This is really small to me, and this look like stylish. I used a Bluetooth headphone which was LI headphone. This is the headphone, but in this beside this headphone I found this headphone is really too small. Here you can see this is only the one side. This is really small to me. So in this case I found this headphone HBQ is really nice to me. If I talk about the sound quality is really nice and crystal clear. This is as a small headphone, the sound is really nice. If I rating this headphone, the sound it get 4.2 out of 5, because if you like loud sound, then this headphone is more louder than this. But this is a really small headphone, but this is really nice and louder. This is less louder than this headphone, but this is really nice sound quality. I gave the sound average 4.2 out of 5. Now come to the bass. The bass quality is really nice as a small headphone. On the other side, this headphone have also good bass, but average both this headphone, I found this headphone is really good nice bass, and this also has good nice bass. But as a small headphone, this headphone have some good bass. Now come to the battery. Battery, as you can see, this is a battery and power bank case also. So the battery capacity is really nice. Here you can see the battery capacity is 50 milliampere. So every headphone have 50 milliampere. So it's really nice. It give me I use 3 days, so this headphone give me 4.2 hour with full volume. So this is really nice. And you can see when I do not like to listen music, then I put this headphone in this case, so it will automatically charge again. So you do not need to worry about the charging or battery capacity with this headphone. This is a really nice and good battery capacity headphone. And on the other side, the standby mode, you can see this headphone will 120 hours standby mode. And charging time, you can find here, you can see only 1 hour, but it will take less than 1 hour to charge, give the headphone full charge. Now come to the connectivity option. This headphone have 5.0 Bluetooth version, and this is 4.2, I think 4.2. So in this way the connectivity is really good in this headphone. When you pull this headphone from your case, it will automatically connect it handset or Bluetooth device automatically. And this will happen only 5 seconds. This is really nice to me. I'm really happy about this. Now come to the stylish point. It's more stylish to me because this is really small headphone. That's why this is really more stylish to me. Because when I use other Bluetooth headphone like this will really critical to me. Then this is really small and this is really stylish to me. Now come to the weight point. This is really only 4 gram, so it's really more weightless to me, and this is really nice. On the other side, my mic sensitivity is really nice when I put this Bluetooth in my ear and talk with my friends. The mic sensitivity is really nice to me. And only one problem I found, only when I talk with my Bluetooth headphone with my friends, only one side headphone works and other side stop, and this is the only problem I found. On the other side, as a size, sound quality, bass, stylish, battery, sensitivity, weight, everything is really good to me. So on the average, I give this headphone as a 4.5 out of 5, and this is really nice. And on the other side, the one benefit side is you can I can charge this headphone. I can charge my mobile with this power bank also. Here you can see I can charge my phone also. Here you can see it's charging. So this is also one benefit point using this headphone. I found everything is fine, but one problem, that one side is work and one side is not work when I talk with my friends through my Bluetooth. So that's all. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If so, give me a big thumbs up and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video of this channel. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.